Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Stars Coast TV. Let me Mark. Earlier I was supposed to show you a special guest. Helio was here, but he went down and found a spot. Anyway, we have it's a Monday afternoon. It's a long weekend for me because our company is observing a holiday, and I think everyone else here in the Philippines are also at their home because of the suspended classes and government offices. So most of us are in. Anyway, this one was recommended to us by King Master. The recommendation is Gigi Delana, John Jake, Romeo Oyus, sorry, uh, collectively known as Gigi Vibes. They will be doing a cover of a Sam Smith and Kim Petras original entitled Unholy. I'm not familiar with the title, but I probably heard of the song. We're gonna find out in a bit. Before we give it a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go. In 3, 2, 1.
Wait, now ready. Got married to a boy like you. She'd kick you out if she ever knew. But all the fuck, it's tell me that you do. Dirty boy. You know everyone is talking all the same. I hear them whispering about the places that you've been and how you don't know how to keep your business clean. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. He sat back while she's dropping it. She be popping it. Yeah, she put it down slowly. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. Daddy, if you wanna drop that Eddie, give me love, give me feeling, my Balenciaga daddy. You gon' need to back it up, 'cause I'm spending on Rodeo. You can watch me back it up. I'll be gone on the air, man. He give me problem, give me new like Rihanna. He always call me 'cause I never cause no drama. And when you want it, baby, I know you got your covered. And when you need it, baby, just drop it on the covers. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot in the body shop, doing something unholy. He sat back while she's dropping it. She be popping it. Yeah, she put it down slowly. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. He said that when she's dropping it, she be popping it. Yeah, she put it down slowly. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. He said that while she's dropping it, she be popping it. Yeah, she put it down slowly.
Woo! Solid. That's the end of the song. I've heard of the song, pero I'm not sure if that was this was a totally different version kasi parang sobrang metal eh. They kind of like metalized it. So let me just check who Kim Petras is, if she or he belongs to a band or a solo artist. So she's a German singer, songwriter, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Okay. I'll have to listen sa original. I heard of this, the ano kasi familiar yung chorus eh. Pero yung I don't remember it being this heavy. At the start of the song nga, there's this vibe nung POD eh. I think it's because of the drum yung sa mga palo, the one when he hits the tom, dug, 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 dug. You know, parang Youth of the Nation ang datingan eh. And then the effects coming from the keyboard, you know that uh I don't know what to call that effect, pero yung parang bouncy panning ting yung parang bouncing ball kind of sound. Ayun, yun may pagka ano naman, it has that corn vibes. Kaya sabi ko, bigat ng tugtugan eh. And then in the beginning you will also notice si Gigi was reacting yung parang letting the band know na medyo mabilis yung tempo nila. So when she started singing, you can notice the sudden drop in tempo, so that it fits it goes to the right tempo of the song. Kasi you can see that the way Gigi sings the song, medyo mabagal. 'Di ba? Parang ano nga, it's like slow core metal eh, parang ganun ang datingan eh. Talagang slow burn eh. It's like when you are drinking, for example, drinking alcoholic drinks, tapos you want the burn to slowly go down your throat, and ano, para talagang you can feel the burn, you can feel the effect. So parang ganun yung style, yung they did it slow and heavy. Para talagang pandiinan. You can feel the effect of the song. And also I noticed yung parang holistically yung pagka-metal nitong version nito, there's you can feel some yung parang there's that dark tone as well. Although yung from a tone perspective, yung the guitarist was using more on the mid or high range. Kasi when merong part, I think it's one of the chorus part where he did yung sustain ng guitar, makinig medyo bright-ish siya. Pero when he does other guitar parts, yung kunyari at the latter part of the song, he did finger tapping, di ba? Talagang ano siya, you can really hear it, talagang emphasize siya kasi medyo bright yung guitar niya. So overall, parang I was surprised about this cover kasi nga it's dark and heavy and it's slow burning, kaya talagang solid yung bagsakan nila dito. Tapos yun nga, yung from a singing style perspective, this one is quite different sa mga napakinggan ko kasi so far what we have listened to is yung mga mellow na songs, 'di ba? Like yung Through the Fire, kaya this one is quite new, so panalo siya. May pagka no, yung I think one of the vocals that remind me, or maybe na influence rin si Gigi, would be sino ba yun? No Doubt. Gwen Stefani, parang ganun. No? I think there's some influence there, or some hints of her vocal styles as well. Naalala ko lang siya bigla. So anyway, that's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, let me show you the stuff you can do to show love to our channel. Here it is. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Starsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.